Hi guys, my name is Shubhang Garodia, Chemistry Master Teacher Vedantu. Today we are going to talk about JEE Advanced 2022, Paper 1, Chemistry Section, Numeric Part and question number 5. The question says, white phosphorus is dissolved in boiling NaOH, gives you a gas Q. We know that when white phosphorus is dissolved in NaOH, it disproportionates, giving rise to phosphine, which is your gas Q here, and sodium hypophosphite. Then he says, how much amount of copper sulfate will be used to dissolve or completely consume the gas Q? So that's the reaction of copper sulfate with pH3 forming cupric phosphide. Theek. How do we go ahead with the question? We are given the weight of this, we are asked the weight of this. So it's a simple mole concept ka question or redox ka question. All we need to do is balance the two reactions and we are done. So let's quickly see how to balance the first reaction. I prefer balancing disproportionation by breaking them down into two parts, that is the oxidation half and the reduction half. So P4 oxidation state 0, phosphine minus 3. So therefore you can see that 12 electrons would have got added to P4 to give pH3. Similarly guys, if we talk about NaH2PO2 ka formation, that is the oxidation part, here it is in +1, here it is in 0. So definitely you will have 4 electron ka change here. 4 will be left out. So what do? We get rid of the number of electrons by cross multiplying the terms and we get 4p4 giving rise to 4pH3 and 12 NaH2PO2. 4 will get cancelled. You'll land up with P4 giving pH3 plus 3 times NaH2PO2. This is the half reaction balancing. Water and NaOH are not balanced. We don't need to balance them as well. So from here we can clearly see number of moles of phosphorus is equal to number of moles of phosphine. They are 1:1. And how many moles of phosphorus do we have? 1.24 divided by 31 into 4. So that will come out to be 10 to the power minus 2 moles. From the second reaction we can understand number of moles of pH3 by 2 is equal to number of moles of copper sulfate by 3. Simple mole concept, isn't it? So what do we get? Number of moles of copper sulfate here is equal to 3 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. अब बस इसको weight में convert करना है. That's simple. 3 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. And then you have 63 here, 96 here. Let me quickly solve it for you. 63, 96 into 3 divided by 2 divided by 100. So the answer that we get is 2.385, or on rounding off, you'll get it as 2.38. Thank you so much for joining guys. Take care and stay tuned for our next one.